Here's a pro tip. Remember how we talked about repurposing your video content? Well, let's say you film this video in horizontal format, but you want to post it to Instagram, which Instagram is better to post in a square or vertical format. So check this out. We're gonna do a new video edit. I'm gonna click video, I'm gonna click new. I'm gonna bring that video that we just edited that is now 36 seconds long. I'm gonna click that green check mark. Now I'm gonna click canvas. I want it to be a square format. So I'm gonna click that 1 by 1 with the Instagram symbol. It is not truly a square yet, as you can see the blurred out background that is giving me. I want this to be a truly square video. So I'm gonna click that zoom button, that middle zoom button. I'm gonna pick this slider and I'm gonna zoom in or crop in my video. Now look at that. It is now a square video from a wide angle horizontal video format. Let's look at it. It looks perfect. I'm gonna click that check mark. I'm gonna click that square in the top right hand corner with the arrow pointing up. And I'm gonna say save. Now, once this is done, this video is ready to be posted on Instagram. That is how you repurpose all of your wide angle videos.